Ever pondered the origins of the humble horseshoe as a good luck charm? In 10th century England, a blacksmith named Dunstan, who would later become the Archbishop of Canterbury, was visited by none other than the devil himself. The devil demanded that Dunstan shoe his horse, but the clever blacksmith recognized his sinister guest and instead nailed a red-hot horseshoe to the devil's own hoof. The devil howled in agony and begged for its removal. Dunstan agreed, but only under the condition that the devil would never enter a home with a horseshoe hung above the door. From that day forward, the horseshoe became a powerful symbol of protection and luck, a tradition still alive in many cultures today.